I really like to reuse bamboo year after year. I try different projects, and this year I wanted to do a fence project. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I repurpose and reuse this bamboo to make a garden fence for my raised garden bed. It is reusable year after year. It is very cheap to purchase. They come in all different sizes, so you 3 feet, 4 feet, 6 feet. It's durable, it's flexible, and it's very lightweight. I've made some garden trellises. I've used it to stake and support plants. I've made some fencing. Probably the 5th year that I've reused some of this, and as you can tell, it's not rotted and it's in really good condition. So bamboo weathers very well as well. This is the useful Japanese square lashing knot that is commonly known to bind 2 poles together. You'll find a link to a video in the description box below on how to tie this knot. And yes, this part took some time, but I did it over many beautiful sunny days, so I didn't mind. It was good knot practice. I like to pre-drill holes because it makes it easier when you're doing a project. If it's in a really awkward spot like it's going to be, I like to pre-drill the screws, and that way it's a lot easier when I just go to screw it in. These are removable panels. They will completely come off of the garden, or they will be opened like a gate. So if I want to get into the garden, I just have to twist the gear tie. Simply like that. So I was to open it. Or I can go to the other side, remove that gear tie, and then just lift it up and remove completely like a panel. When I open it, I have full access to the garden, letting me do a lot of weeding and not having anything in my way. Come in the garden, pick your food, and close it back up. Well, the garden fence isn't perfect, but it does its job. I've been really happy with it throughout the year. It's kept my dog out, it's kept all the soccer balls out, and my vegetables haven't been interrupted by any accidental stem breaks or soil damage. And if and when I am tired of this garden fence, I can leave it as is, turn it vertical, have a great trellis ready for the garden, or I could just cut the string off and reuse this bamboo anywhere else in the garden, make another project. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I've given you an idea of how you can possibly use bamboo in your own garden.